Okay, today we're going to make bolognese sauce with penne pasta. So we're going to part cook it in the oven, but start it off on the hob. So I'll turn the oven on to 160, hob on maximum. Put a bit of olive oil. And there. Just let that heat up. And then I've got 2 onions. I'm just going to put these in a food processor so chop them up. We've also got 2 carrots and a red pepper. So just quarter those. And whiz these up. And put these in the pan. So I've got a 500 gram pack of Aberdeen Angus lean minced beef. But you can use any mince. I've actually pinched a bit out of this to make some burgers with yesterday. So it's just short of, probably more like 400 grams. It doesn't really matter. Stir that up. Cook for a bit. And next we're going to whiz up the carrots. Chop the ends off. Because we've also got a red pepper and onions, it's actually sort of, provides a reasonably sort of balanced meal for anyone, kids. Leave that there. Just going to put the garlic in there as well, actually. And then we've got a red pepper that needs to go in there as well. So I'll probably just put this in the food processor as well. I mean, you can chop all of this by hand if you're confident enough. If you're making a big batch, it's probably worth getting the food processor out. I mean, this isn't a particularly big batch, but so this needs to be sort of chunks to go in here. If you did the red pepper for too long, it would probably, all the juice would probably come out. So just for a few seconds, really. Doesn't really matter if there's a few bigger chunks. finished with. So because I'm going to cook this in the oven after frying it, the onion and everything doesn't have to be all that soft or brown or anything, so I'm going to start putting some liquid in. If you were doing it, if you're going to simmer it on the hob after this, you'd probably cook this for a bit longer. Start putting some of the stuff in. So I've got a tin of chopped tomatoes. Who's Woody trying to get in? Hello, Woody. Hello. Right, put these chopped tomatoes in here. Whoops. And just a tiny bit of water as well. So I just swill the tin out really. There we go. Wipe the mess up. Stir that in. Right. So we want some mixed herbs, salt and pepper now. Some very, very old chili powder. How old was it, James?
About 20 years old.
Yeah, James used that in some school burgers. It worked out quite well. Right, so we've got mixed herbs here. So we'll measure this. So is that a tablespoon, James? Must be.
Yes.
Okay, so we'll go for 2 tablespoons. Ground black pepper, some salt, and we'll want some tomato puree. So probably about a quarter of one of these tubes. I don't know how much is in there. Oh, 200 grams, so about 50 grams of puree. And then I'm going to put maybe a teaspoon of pesto. This isn't essential. That's a bit of flavour. Stir all that in. And then that's ready to go in the oven. And when it comes out of the oven, it'll be done. Just get a lid. So we'll put that on for an hour. Done. Okay, so the bolognese has been in for an hour. I actually turned it down to 120 halfway through because I thought it was cooking a bit too fast. We don't want it to dry up. Take that out. Serve some on a plate so you can see. So I've got some penne pasta. That takes 10 minutes to cook in boiling water. A little bit of salt, a little bit of oil. And this is the bolognese. Some fresh parmesan. So just grated. And then a bit of black pepper. Bolognese sauce with penne pasta. No messing about.